Hey guys, welcome back with me again in the channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a 3D photo in CapCut. So first, just add the photo that you want to edit. Then click on the photo, find style at the bottom. And in here, just swipe through the options until you find the 3D options. Okay, just swipe until you find the 3D. So there are 3D Zoom Pro and also this the 3D Zoom Basic. I'm going to just use the Pro one. Click on the style. Wait for CapCut to generate the style to the photo. And that's it. Just click on the check icon and now your photo will become 3D photo like this. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a like and smash that subscribe button down there. And also remember to leave a comment and click on the thanks. Thank you.